That's not no brown recluse.
It is.
It's not.
It is.
It's black.
It's not black. It's brown with a black tint. Hey y'all! Welcome back to Sloan Matters. The place where we're flipping this old rundown office building to our home from the 60s and 70s, trying to flip it into the 21st century. So good it might even be 22nd century. 22nd century. I don't know what I'm talking about. Like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell so you know when the videos are coming out. Today, trim, laundry room. So, we hope that y'all enjoy what you see. And don't forget to give a thumbs up. I'm weird though. It don't matter though. Haha. Let's get to work up. I don't have any straight blades. It's crooked.
Oh.
It's crooked. All the way down.
Hold this off.
It's crooked all the way down.
I mean, I gotta get past the wood, but.
That's no, woman. Here, hold yourself.
A woman, yes. You don't call her that.
Huh?
Then you can karate wing it.
Because we was like, oh, we're gonna have it like this.
Or that. Round one. Complete.
Finish him! Oh, my heart.
Is big.
Oh. I know. There might be a part 3 to this bull snapple. We got powder blowing in there.
I found a better stirrer, by the way.
Need some nails. Let's go. Move it. Please. Oh! Okay.
Let's go ahead. Let's see it. It's the same width.
Let's see. 1
And
like 3/4.
okay. What's the next one?
1.5.
That's not true. No, it's not, babe. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Babe.
Look, that's it. That's it.
It is the same.
Y'all can see that this is wider than this. Look at that. See it?
No,
See that?
It's not.
I even measured it.
Measured it wrong.
No,
Visual.
How? Oh. Let's see. 1 1 3/4, 1 3/4, 1 3/4, 1 3/4. 1.5, 1.5.
They don't have 1.5.
That's what that is.
They don't
It doesn't
have.
always. They can put that they're selling it for 1 1/4 and cut it down to 1.5.
That's
for 1
illegal.
1 3/4.
My book.
You would think that it's illegal, but it's not. They cut 1 3/4, but it's 1 1/4. They sold it to them as if they cut 1 3/4, and then they turn around and sell it back to you the same way. So you get cheated all around. Hey, y'all, my old lady done something right. I don't mean that in a bad way.
Installed this new one, and we finally have
A porch light.
a porch light. We're obviously not going to keep this one,
Okay.
but we have one. We just haven't installed it yet. So we weren't actually even sure if this went
To the porch.
to the porch, so we learned something. That's always good.
Wait, and up, call. Wait. Just get it all up and then call.
Oh my God.
Where'd the measuring tape go? Probably 38.
Yes.
Remember, I don't have anything golf us. Here. Not right there. Put up there, Dad, Vern.
We got it. That's what matters.
Oh! Oh, my ankle was twisted.
You got it.
Ah, gosh.
Spider house.
I fixed the wall. What you call it? Hope you enjoyed what we did today. If not, let us know. And don't forget, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell so you know when we got videos coming out. We try to get y'all some videos Monday and Wednesdays and short every now and again. So I'm not talking about myself, but thank you for watching. Shalom, y'all.